Today, I will be discussing the recent advances of the potential of stem cell research in an area of neuroscience. We will look at what stem cell research is and how it can be used in a neuroscience capacity, the development of strategies to undertake therapies across the blood-brain barrier, how the modelling of glioma in animals is being used, the use of stem cell therapy and transplantation for neurological disorders, and barriers and ethical considerations faced when undertaking stem cell research. So what is stem cell research? Stem cells are a type of cell within the body that have the ability to develop into numerous other types of cells. This property allows researchers to replicate particular cell types in order to increase their understanding about them. Similarly, they can be used to develop strategies to treat illness as well as gain further understanding about how these cancerous or damaged cells form and develop. Stem cell therapy and transplants allow damaged or diseased cells to be replaced and help the body fight disease. Stem cell research began in the 20th century and revealed the first sign of cells being able to self-renew. Theories began to be developed about stem cell potential, but it wasn't until the 1960s that this theory was proven by Canadian scientists. Since then, extensive research has been conducted in various fields regarding disease development and treatment. In relation to neuroscience, stem cell research looks to find ways to treat neural disorders and diseases within the central nervous system. Within the past 25 years, research has revealed that neural stem cells contain the capacity to regenerate and provide a constant supply of neurons and glioma, and form the basis of neurogenesis, which is previously thought to be an unachievable process. Neurogenesis is the forming of new neurons within the brain and is vital throughout an individual's lifespan. Neural stem cell research looks to replace neural cells that have been damaged or no longer exist as a result of disease or disorder. We will now look at research regarding strategies to cross the blood-brain barrier. The blood-brain barrier is a compilation of blood vessels that restrict and control the movement of cells, ions, and molecules between the blood and the brain. In doing so, it allowed nutrients to be delivered to the brain whilst preventing pathogens that may cause damage to the brain from reaching it. As a result of this, it is extremely difficult to treat neural diseases, as drugs are perceived as foreign material and cannot cross it. Advances in research look to use stem cells in order to penetrate the blood-brain barrier for therapeutic purposes without causing further damage or inflammation. Mesenchymal cells are a type of stem cell that are found within bone marrow and have been a recent point of interest in aiding to achieve this goal, and it is predicted that the use of these stem cells will have a promising effect on how disorders are treated within the brain.